Welcome to Baluchi Zone. Today's lesson is about the word rider and its versatility in Balochi language. The origin of the word rider in English language comes from the mounted warriors. It started with a horse rider that transformed into a bike. As such, we ended up with a bike rider, which then became a biker. You also got cyclist, driver, pilots, and so on and on we went to describe each noun. Anyway, we get the gist of it. In a language like Baluchi, for instance, there's a similar pattern for such a noun, however it has a broader versatility. The word for rider is tachinuk or tachinuk, depending on the region. Horse rider, asp tachinuk. Bike rider, motor tachinuk. Cyclist, sinkel tachinuk. Driver, machine tachinuk or gari tachinuk. Boat rider or captain, grab tachinuk. Pilot, jahaz tachinuk. Basically, this is how Baluchi language rolls when it comes to describing a person that conducts such riding-related functions. This is not unique to Baluchi language. Persian language has a similar approach too. They use the word sawar in the same context. Sawar is also used in the Baluchi language. I've listed the Persian equivalent just to demonstrate my points. Asb sawar, motor sawar, دوچرخه سوار، ماشین سوار, later becoming راننده، قایق سوار، هواپیما سوار, or خلبان for the pilot. I hope you've enjoyed this short lesson.